Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic ZW3D, how to draw horizontal line. Okay, you can click sketch and choose top line, click OK. Click line icon, and to draw horizontal line, you can click at this icon, horizontal. Like for first point, I will click in here, second point to drag here. The next, I will move again from this point. Now you can move the cursor into endpoint of the reference line and click to apply again. If you want to set for length, you can click in here. Like I will set into 100, but first I will specify for the first point. Then set by x-axis, y-axis, or you can click on the area. This I will set first point in here, and then for length I will set into 100. Press enter. To be create line with length 100. Okay. I will click again from this point and set for length into 200 in here. And you can click to apply. Okay, that's it for basic ZW3D, how to draw horizontal line. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.